Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for June 21st, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, Phase 3 study results showed that Novo Nordisk's oral semaglutide led to greater reductions in HbA1c and weight compared to Victoza and Merck Co.'s Januvia in adults with type 2 diabetes. Chief Science Officer Mads Krogsgaard Thompson said the oral GLP-1 analog was superior to Januvia regarding patients reaching a target of HbA1c below 7% and was even more efficacious in lowering glucose and body weight versus Victoza. Also in the news, Incyte plans to seek expanded FDA approval of Jakafi in the third quarter to include the treatment of patients with steroid-refractory acute graft-versus-host disease. The submission will be based on mid-stage study data showing that the JAK1/JAK2 inhibitor was associated with an overall response rate of 55% at day 28. In other news, late-stage study results showed that median overall survival was 5.7 months for Servier and Taiho Pharmaceutical's Lonsurf in patients with refractory metastatic gastric cancer. Data from the TAGS trial demonstrated that median overall survival was 3.6 months for placebo, with Lonsurf reducing the risk of death by 31%. In addition, the FDA granted breakthrough therapy designation to Heron Therapeutics HTX-011 for postoperative pain management. The therapy is a long-acting extended-release formulation of the local anesthetic bupivacaine in a fixed-dose combination with the anti-inflammatory meloxicam. And finally, a report suggested that Roche is interested in purchasing Tesaro. Although RBC analyst Kenan McKay argued there is a lack of a compelling strategic rationale for a deal. McKay noted that Tesaro is likely to lower its full-year guidance due to increased competition for the PARP inhibitor Zejula in the ovarian cancer market. To read these and other stories in full, please visit FirstWordPharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.